you're fortunate enough to have a utility sink like this in your home, you know how useful it is for washing up after painting projects and home improvement projects. We often call these slop sinks, and if you take a look at this lovely fixture here, you can see why. This has been used for cleaning up some staining and painting projects. Now, besides washing up after jobs, this is also a great place to dry items, especially after a painting job. What I did is I took a section of ventilated shelving that was left over from a closet remodeling job, and with a hacksaw I just trimmed it so it was a little bit longer than the width of the sink, and you see it sits right on there. The nice thing is that because it has this downturned lip, it really just sits on, locks right on, so it doesn't move around. And so now I can take like paint roller sleeves and sponges and rags used during a project and lay them right on there, and they dry pretty quickly because of the ventilated shelving, right? The air goes right through this. And these are vinyl coated, so you don't have to worry about them rusting. And even paint brushes dry quickly off of this rack, but rather than laying them flat, what I like to do is, this is just a piece of bent wire from a clothes hanger. You can just hang it on the back there, and it keeps the bristles up off the bottom of the sink so they dry nice and straight.